Hi guys, Dr. Luster here, and today I want to introduce you to a series that I'm pretty sure I'm going to be doing here. Actually, I am going to be doing it right now. So this series is going to be on what is blood sugar and what are the effects of it, and what does a hyper look like, and what does hypo look like, and why is important? Why do I need to know these effects of blood sugar? Because it's talked a lot about, but it's not super clear for people. And as a doctor, it's kind of frustrating, both as my patients, to see my patients not understand it because they're dealing with it, and I want you to understand it so you can help yourself at home, because I can't always fix all of the things, and I want you to experience some relief from the things you're coming to me and telling me are hurting you. So, that aren't necessarily medication based, but sometimes they need to be. I want to talk about this whole variety of what is blood sugar and why is it important? How does it work? Even a lot of my practitioner friends and whatnot have struggled with this concept, and so much so that it spurred this series of videos. And so I hope that it helps. I do want to give you a couple of references, specifically these two amazing doctors that you can reach out to because they're heavy on social media stuff, but they are actually diabetic chiropractors, and they do a fantastic job of talking about diabetes and why it is important to understand blood sugar management in general. And I think that it is not just necessarily for diabetics to listen to this podcast. I think that people don't understand that your whole body is a system. And so if your blood sugar is off, it's not just going to cause diabetes, it's going to cause a lot of other things, which we will talk about. So those two docs that I want to give a shout out to are Dr. Grady Donahoe. He is out of St. Louis, Missouri currently. I think he's going to be moving soon, but I'm not 100% positive on that, so don't quote me. But him and Dr. Garrett Pano, they do a podcast called Diabuddies Podcast, and it is amazing. I believe you can find it on most streaming things, and possibly on YouTube. I think they have a YouTube channel as well. And they are just the most fun, adorable too, and they have the funniest conversations, but they really do have like these crazy conversations. Like, I didn't even know about, like, I had never thought about things that they talk about on there, like what does a diabetic do if they have an insulin pump, and they need to take a shower or go swimming? I don't know. What do you do? Like, I never thought about that, So they talk about a bunch of whole topics that are really super cool that relate to that, but they also talk about the nuts and bolts and the nitty gritty. So I definitely recommend those. And I'll talk a little bit about, really a lot about what is things go wrong when you have too much blood sugar, because that's mostly predominantly what I see. But we will also be talking about a little bit of what goes wrong when you have too low blood sugar. So this is going to be a series. I'm not sure how many it's going to be. Probably, I want to say 5 or 6, but that might be, I talk a lot sometimes. Anyways, so look forward to that. Look forward to sharing it with you guys, and hopefully it clears some things up, because there's no reason I should keep some of this knowledge to myself, because I got it from other docs, So anyways, I hope that helps, and I look forward to sharing some of that information with you guys. Thanks, guys.